Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. At least the chair's gone. I have fallen asleep today. I just woke up from a long nap and I don't know why I'm sleeping lately. It's wearing on me. I'm not a good napper. I feel like I can't get anything done after that. I was cleaning in here this morning, getting the chair out and kind of organizing some of my projects. I even started a board with the projects that I need to get done. But I have two pieces in here that I want to get done and out the door as quickly as possible. And if you're new to the vintage space, there's something you need to know. You're just a glorified cleaning person. I've got this piece and this piece that are brass, and brass is hot, but not like this. There was a time when the dirty kind of patinaed, vintage looking, old, dirty, I have no other words for dirt, was the vibe. You could bring these in and they would sell just fine. Now people want their metals polished and pretty. That whole rustic vibe on things like this bell are no more, so we have to clean it. And to do that, I am going to use a polish. We've got our metal polish here. So this is Peak, P-E-E-K. I do not have a sponsorship with Peak. I've used them before. We used it to clean Pyrex. We used it to clean that really crusty camp, bad fire piece. And I'm noticing on here, hang on you guys, there's like an engraving on here. Right here at the top, there's a strange engraving on here. It says India. It must be 6872 FC. So this is made in India, obviously. There's literally a hole in it. Oh, there's a hole in it. This is also made in India. So, people like the shiny brass now. So we have to get it all cleaned up, because if you want to get top dollar for it, you can't leave it in this condition. Wish I could. There were days when you could. Back when I started, this was okay. People didn't mind. It kind of looked worn and aged and all that stuff. And now they want their metal shiny, so we're going to shine it up so we can get this stuff in the shop. Get you switched around. We'll start with the votive since it's going to be less noisy. If you didn't grow up polishing stuff, this may not be second nature for you. But you just get some of that cream on there and you just start using your elbow grease. You can use it's already coming off. You can use a cotton cloth if you want. Instead, I'm using a paper towel because I didn't have a cotton cloth handy. And you just keep making circular motions and all that tarnish will come off. And it will start looking... Now let's get this spot clean. All polished up. So it's not real hard. It does smell really bad. You can tell it's like a petroleum-based product. I've seen people do the whole... We did a test on the baking soda and tin foil here in the shop. I didn't like it as well. It didn't actually clean it. You know what I'm saying? And I just want this to be as clean and shiny as possible. There's a little bit of damage. It looks like it's been dropped here. just going to keep doing this. And then after you're done cleaning it, you grab a different cloth and you rub the whole thing down again. And as you can see, more still came off. And that's that final polish bit. But this one's looking so much better. Very bright and shiny. So is the bell. But the bell still has this dark line on it here that I'm struggling to get off. And then this one I really wish I had showed you the before of, because this looks very pretty. This beautiful little polished up candlestick. I kid you not, this was green. It had so much patina on it, I wasn't sure it would come clean. So to see it like this, I really wish I had done this one on video, because it was nasty. You can see there's green inside there. It was like that all over this whole thing. And took a little elbow grease. Yeah. Nothing else coming off of it now, but it is super pretty. And the reason I advocate doing this is because I polished up a bunch of brass candlesticks that had been in my booth forever that I hadn't polished. I polished them up and put them in a little vignette together, and this girl immediately ran over to them and she showed her boyfriend or husband, whatever, what they were going for online. And she's like, yeah, we got them. We just got to get them. And he's like, well, yeah, if they're that cheap. They weren't cheap. I had put like $12 on one, $9 on. They were different sizes. And in my world, I mean, I paid $0.25 for them. I paid $0.25 for this. I'm probably going to put, $9 on it. I paid $0.25 for this. That's probably going to be like $6. And then I paid $0.25 for this. So to me, the prices that I'm putting on them are not cheap. And it's the difference between those candlesticks had been in there for months in poor condition. Once they were shined up and pretty, immediately they sold. So to me, it's worth the extra effort because you can get the money. I mean, I want to move them as fast as possible. And if polished brass is what's selling, then we get polished brass. And these are solid brass. So just a little bit of effort, a little bit of elbow grease. I did one wet cloth, and the one cloth got completely saturated. And then I had another cloth that I polished in between. And then this is the third cloth, the dry cloth, that just kind of takes all the excess off, but you'll still notice black coming off. And you just polish until you don't see black coming off anymore. Like here's a clean spot and I'm polishing. No black is coming off. Then it's clean. It's done, because there'll be times when it looks clean and you start polishing and black will be coming off. It's not clean yet. So you'll know. You'll see it. Trust me. Just takes a little effort. And it's a world of difference, because you may go, oh, they can polish it themselves. It's not that big of a deal. There's a lot of people who won't. We're not going to do that. They want it ready to go into their house. And I want to make it as appealing as possible for even that person to buy my stuff. So I'm just a glorified cleaning lady. I don't want my stuff to smell. Like I bought that birdhouse the other day and it stinks and it's getting clear coated inside and out because I don't want it to stink. I don't want my brass to be tarnished. I don't want my glass to be dirty. Just give it a bath. Just give it a bath. Just give it a little. See, there's still black coming off this one. So that means there's still stuff on there. So I'm going to just be rubbing on this for a little while longer until all that black stops coming off. But that's it. That's what I'm doing today. Just a glorified cleaning lady. This job is so glamorous. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy Junkin. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more Junkin videos.